So hey guys, I hope you had a wonderful week. I hope you're having a wonderful Friday. So last week's look was so good. I mean, yeah. So I was thinking what kind of look I should do today, and I don't know. I'm confused because I want a look that's gonna top that, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that. I just hope I do. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do actually. I don't know. Like while I'm filming this, I have no idea what makeup look I'm going to do, but we'll just wing it and you know see how it turns out. So I'm going to start with brows, and then I'll probably do this eye off camera while I figure out what makeup look I'm going to do, and then I'll come back and we could do this eye together. So let me just take my spoolie and brush up my brows. First of all, let me move this hair out of the way with some bobby pins. Yeah, and let me do this other side. Yeah, now we're set. So let me take my spoolie to just brush my brows and set them in place. So to fill in my brows, I am just going to use the Davis pencil in the number 040. So to just clean up my eyebrows, I am going to use the Maybelline Fit-Me concealer, which is in the shade 040. So after my eyebrows have been filled in, I'm going to prime my eyelids just so that I can do my eyeshadow. And as I said, I am going to start with this eye, and then I'll come and do this eye with you. So this eye is pretty much done, except putting some shadows on my lower lash line. So let me just do this side. And I've already primed my eyelids. If you did notice last time, I really didn't prime my eyelids. Like I went in, but it still turned out nice. So I am going in with the neutral part of my eyeshadow palette, and I'm using the color bronzed, which is this one right here. And I'm just using that to set my primer and just to give some color on my lids. And I'm using a fluffy brush for that. Yeah, just something like that. And as you can see, I'm using this mirror to do my eyeshadow, because I noticed when I use the other one, my camera goes in and out of focus a lot, and I want you guys to like really see what I'm doing. So yeah, this looks nice. If I had some white liner just to go around this, should look nice, stunning. So once that is done, I'm going to, guess what, cut my crease. And I am using a flat concealer brush, and it's very small. Yeah, as you can see, it's very small, so it's nice for precision and yeah, just to make my work a lot easier. And I'm going to speed this part up. I'm sorry if the lighting is changing. I am using sunlight, and you know, with clouds, it does what it wants to do. And because I have hooded eyelids, first I look forward just so that I can trace above my lid, like above the crease of my eyelid, and then now I start drawing on now the shape. So now I've cut my crease, and before I extend it to the outer part just to shape that wing, I will go in with my black liner, this one by Davis, and I will use this to draw on the wing first so that I can know where I'm going to connect the concealer to the wing. I hope you understand. So now I have drawn on the wing. The next thing, I'm going to take some concealer on my concealer brush and just connect this part where I cut my crease to this wing so that I can know exactly where I'm going to put my shadows. Okay, after I've drawn my wing, I'm just going to go in with the color Midnight, which is a black eyeshadow, just to kind of make that liner darker. So next I went in with the color Pop Out, which is this dark plum here, this one. And I just put that shade on top of this Midnight. And here, while you're laying your eyeshadows, just be careful and just put them underneath where you've cut your crease, just so that you can give it a nice, sharp, defined look. Next, I am taking the shade Limitless, which is this sort of dark fuchsia, and I'm just putting it on top of this shade. So once I'm done, I am going to now prime my eyelids just here where I'm putting this bright pink so that it can look more vibrant. I am just taking the color Pinky Promise, which is this very bright, almost neon pink, and I'm just packing that on my eyelids. So once that is done, I am going to take a white eyeliner pencil and I'm just going to line my waterline. Okay, so the lashes that I used are this ones, and I just bought them in Dubai. So let me put on my lashes and then we'll continue with the rest of my makeup. So I'm done with my eyes, and the next thing I'm going to do is my face, and I'm starting with contour, and I'm using the Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa. And to blend that out, I'm using this brush. And for my nose contour, I'm using this small brush. So for my foundation today, I'm using the Maybelline Fit-Me in the shade 335. Okay, so now after I've put on foundation, I am going to put on some concealer, and the concealer I'll be using is the Maybelline Fit-Me concealer in the shade 40, the one that I just used to prime my eyelids. Okay, now let me put some eyeshadow on my lower lash line. So let me put on some highlight, and I'm just highlighting the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, just the arc of my brows, and probably my cheekbones. Oh, and also the side of my nose. So I'm just putting on some blush. I realized I hadn't put on blush, and I don't think it would affect my highlights, so let me just do that. So as usual for my lips, I'm using a maroon lip liner. Mine is really tiny. Okay, now I'm going to finish up with gloss, and this is the gloss I'm using. So guys, we're done with today's look, and oh my god, it looks amazing. Amazing. Like, it looks so nice. Honestly, yeah. It looks bomb. So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you like and comment down below and tell me what kind of makeup look you would want to see next. And also, by the way, I am thinking of doing my own hair, like the butterfly locks or distressed locks. If I can find a picture, I'm going to put it here. If I can't, yeah, I want to do the distressed locks, the ones that were trending I think last year, and also this year a bit. So if you want to see me do my own hair, I'm a beginner. Honestly, I don't know how to do my hair, so it will be a journey. We'll learn together. So if you want to see that, comment and tell me, and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications so that you can get notified the next time I upload. And while you're still here, you can watch these two videos. Yeah. So till next time, bye guys.